Alright, we're back with another video, this time question 5 from section 3.1 of John Stewart's calculus. So, for this one we have a constant, so we need to remember the derivative of a constant is just 0. We have a first degree polynomial, and the derivative of first degree polynomial is just 1. And finally we have a higher order polynomial, which in order to find the derivative of, you just move the power in front and you subtract 1 from it. That's it. So, first we need to, and the fourth step, of course, is to identify what we have in our question. So we have a first degree polynomial. We'll do that one first because it's simple. It's just 1. All right, now we have a higher order polynomial, so we have to take the derivative of it. We move the 75 down in front, and we subtract 1 from 75. 75 minus 1 is, of course, 74. And finally, the derivative of a constant is 0. So putting that all together, we have 75x to the 74th power minus 1 plus 0. The 0 just drops off, so you just have 75x to the 74 minus 1. And that's it. That's how we solve that problem. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as I'll be solving more problems from this textbook in the near future. Thank you, and goodbye.